My dear students, today we will be discussing questions from NTSC previous year question papers. The paper I am discussing today is from Uttarakhand region, question paper 2019, question paper code 73525. Let's start solving the problems. This question, if sine theta minus cos theta equals to 0, then the value of sine to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta will be. Now, how will we solve the problem? Let's solve and discuss. We are provided with sine theta minus cos theta equals to 0, which can be written as sine theta is equal to cos theta, which can further be written as sine theta upon cos theta equals to 1. And this is equal to basically 10 pi by 4. That is, we know that pi by 4 is equal to 45 degrees. So your tan theta equals to 1 is equal to tan 45 degrees. For your convenience, I've written this. That means your theta will be equal to 45 degrees. So what will be the value of sine to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta? It's going to be sine theta to the power 4 plus cos theta to the power 4. Putting the value of theta as 45 degree to the power 4 plus cos 45 degrees to the power 4, which will give us, what is the value of sine 45? It's 1 by root 2 whole to the power 4. 1 by root 2 whole to the power 4, which will give us 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 2 by 4, and that is 1 by 2, which is the required solution of the problem provided to us. I hope so you can see your option A is the right answer. Now, moving on to the next question. If the roots of the equation a minus b x square plus b minus c x plus c minus a is equal to 0 are equal, then the value of b plus c will be 6a, minus 6a, 2a, or minus 2a. Let's quickly solve the problem. What is given to us? We are provided with a minus b x square plus b minus c x plus c minus a equals to 0. And when it's about equal roots, we know that the roots are equal when discriminant is equal to 0, which means b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. That means, what is b here? We have b minus c is your b. So b minus c whole square minus 4 multiply by a minus b multiply by c minus a equals to 0. Now we are going to solve the problem. Let's opening the brackets. B square c square minus 2bc minus 4 times ac minus a square minus bc plus ba equals to 0. Further, it can be written as b square plus c square minus 2bc minus 4ac plus 4a square plus 4bc minus 4ab equals to 0. Further, as you can see, minus 2bc plus 4bc. So b square plus c square plus 2bc minus 4ac minus 4ab plus 4a square equals to 0. Further, this portion you can write b plus c whole square minus take 4a common. You are left with c plus b plus 4a square equals to 0. Further, this can be written as b plus c whole square minus 4a b plus c plus 2a whole square equals to 0. Now what will happen? As you can see, there's a little, after this step, we are shifting to the next page. What we had, we got b plus c whole square minus 4a b plus c plus 2a whole square equals to 0. If you see this problem, it looks like this. b plus c minus 2a whole square equals to 0. अगर आप b plus c minus 2a whole square को expand करोगे तो आपको यही equation वापस से मिलेगी. Now this can further be written as b plus c equals to 2a, which means b plus c equals to 2a is the required result. So this is the answer. Let's see whether we have an option. Yes, 2a is your option C. Right? Moving on to the next question. How many numbers lie between 10 to 300, which when divided by 4 leaves a remainder 3? Options are 71, 73, 72, and 74. Now, first number greater than 10, which is divided by 4. Let's talk about 4 ka table. We get 4 into 2 gives you 8. And if you add 3, आपसे कहा ना leaves a remainder 3. तो जब आप 3 add करोगे तो आपको 11 मिलेगा. इसका मतलब your first term is going to be 11, right? तो first term आपकी हो गई 11. उसमें आप 3 add कीजिए, उसमें आप 4 add कीजिए, क्योंकि lie between 10 to 300 which when divided by 4 है. तो आप उसमें 4 add करेंगे, आपको मिलेगा 15. 15 में 4 add करेंगे तो आपको एक और वैल्यू मिलेगी 19, right? तो इसी तरह से हम सीक्वेंस क्रिएट करेंगे and then we'll solve a question. So now let's systematically solve it. First, number greater than 10, which when divided by 4 leaves remainder 3 is 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So the next number will be 15 and so on. So the required AP will be 11, 15, 19, 23, 27, 32, and so on. We need to find the last number. Now let's divide 300 with 4. We get 75. 75, 4 give us 300. So we can't take 300 because we need the value between 10 and 300, which means 10 and 300 is not included. So what comes before 300, which is divisible by 4? It's 296. We add 3 to 296, we get 299. So the last value will be 299. So your A is equal to 11, your D is 4, and your AN is 299. We need to find N equals to what? We know that AN equals to A plus N minus 1D. Putting the values into the formula, you get 299 equals to 11 plus N minus 1 into 4. Solving further, we had 299 equals to 11 plus N minus 1 into 4, which will be 299 minus 11 upon 4 equals to N minus 1, which can further be written as 288 divided by 4 plus 1 equals to N, which is equal to 72 plus 1 equals to N, which implies your N will be equal to 73, which is the required result. Let's see whether we have 73 in our result or not. Yes, option B is the right answer. I hope the problem is clear. Moving on to the next question. If cos alpha plus beta equals to 0 and sin alpha minus beta is equal to cos beta, cos 2 beta, sin alpha, sin 2 alpha. So we need to solve this problem. Now, how will we solve this problem? Let's see. We are provided with cos alpha plus beta equals to 0, which can further be written as cos 90 degrees, because cos 90 gives you 0, which means your alpha plus beta equals to 90 degrees. I hope it's clear. Further, you can write beta equals to, or what we need alpha minus beta. So we'll take alpha equals to 90 minus beta. Subtracting beta to both sides, we get alpha minus beta equal to 90 minus beta, which gives you alpha minus beta equals to 90 minus twice of beta. Taking sine function to both sides, sine 90 minus 2 beta. Now, what is the value of sine 90 minus theta? Can anyone tell me? Yes, sine 90 minus theta gives you cos theta. So, sine 90 minus 2 beta will be cos 2 beta. So, this sine alpha minus beta will be equal to cos 2 beta. Let's see, where is cos 2 beta? Here option B is the right answer. Moving on to the next question. If x squared plus 1 over x squared equals to 83, then the value of x cube minus 1 over x cube will be a equals to 729, b equals to 756, c equals to 709, and d is none of these. Let's quickly solve the problem. We are provided with x squared plus 1 over x squared equals to 83. We need to use this in our problem. So let's do it quickly. x minus 1 over x सपोज करते हैं, ये हो गया, इसका होल स्क्वायर आपके लिए क्या होगा? अगर आप इसे एक्सपेंड करेंगे आपको मिलेगा एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 ओवर एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू एक्स इंटू 1 ओवर एक्स, which will give you x minus 1 over x whole square equals to, what is the value of x square plus 1 over x square? It's 83 provided in the question, minus 2, because x gets cancelled. You are left with 81, right? So that means x minus 1 over x will be equal to 9. So this is the value you are getting. Now, what is the value of x minus 1 over x whole cube? This is going to be 9 ka cube, which is equal to 729. Opening the bracket, we know that a minus b whole cube equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, a minus b. Using the formula, we get x cube minus 1 over x cube minus 3 into x minus 1 over x, that we'll get after solving, is equal to 729. X cube minus 1 over x cube minus 3 into x minus 1 over x is equal to 9 equals to 729. So we get x cube minus 1 over x cube equals to 729 plus 27, which is equal to 756. That means the value of x cube minus 1 over x cube is equal to 756, which is the required result. I hope the problem is clear. Let's see, we have 756. Yes, we do have option B as 756. Moving on to the next question. It's in equation 1 plus 4 to the power 1 plus x plus 4 to the power 1 minus x equals to 10. The value of x will be. So for that matter, how will you solve the problem? You are provided with 4 to the power 1 plus x plus 4 to the power 1 minus x equals to 10. We know that 4 to the power a plus b जो है उसको आप 4 to the power a into 4 to the power b लिख सकते हो. ऐसे ही 4 टू द पावर a माइनस b जो है इसको आप लिख सकते हैं 4 टू द पावर a ओवर 4 टू द पावर b। ठीक है, ये हमारी कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज हैं जो हमने अपनी छोटी क्लासेस में करी थी, बस वही चीज हम यहाँ यूज करेंगे। 4 टू द पावर 1 प्लस एक्स बन जाएगा 4 टू द पावर एक्स इंटू 4 प्लस 4 to the power 1 over 4 to the power x equals to 10, which can further be taking 4 common. We get 4 to the power x plus 1 over 4 to the power x equals to 10. Now, let 4 to the power x is equal to y. So, your equation number 1 will be 4 into y plus 1 over y, ठीक है, equals to 10. Further, it can be written as y plus 1 over y equals to 10 by 4. Let's shift to the next page. We had y plus 1 over y equals to 10 by 4, right? Solve. Y square plus 1 equals to 10y, यहाँ पे कर दीजिए 4. We're just cross multiplying. We are getting 4 times y square plus 4 minus 10y equals to 0, which means 4 times y square minus 10y plus 4 equals to 0. Take 2 common, you're left with 2y square minus 5y plus 2 equals to 0, which implies 2y square minus 5y plus 2 equals to 0. Now middle term split, you will get 2y square minus 4y minus y plus 2 equals to 0. Further you will get, take 2y common, y minus 2 minus 1, y minus 2 equals to 0. You're getting 2y minus 1 and y minus 2 equals to 0. That means the values of y are 1 by 2 and, or I would say or 2. Now we are provided that y equals to हमने क्या लिया था 4x, 4 to the power x को हमने y माना था, तो we will be having two answers. When y equals to, we have 4 to the power x, so we can say 4 to the power x equals to 1 by 2. That means 4 to the power x को आप लिख सकते हो 2 to the power 2 whole to the power x equals to 2 to the power minus 1. This is basically 2 to the power 2x equals to 2 to the power minus 1. जब बेस सेम होते हैं तो हम पावर्स को इक्वेट कर लेते हैं. I'm just equating the powers. I'll get x equals to minus 1 by 2. Right? Further, here we have, just a moment. Yes, we have y equals to 4 to the power x, and 4 to the power x is given to you as 2, which can be written as 2 to the power 2x equals to 2 to the power 1. Power base same, powers will be equated, x will be equal to 1 by 2. So the values of x are minus 1 by 2, comma 1 by 2. Let's see what's the correct option. Yes, option B minus 1 by 2, sorry, option A 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is the correct answer. I hope it's clear. Let's see which is the next problem. X equals to A cos theta and y equals to B sin theta. Then the value of B square x square plus A square y square will be. See, we are provided with x equals to A cos theta and y equals to B sin theta, which means x over A is equal to cos theta and y over B equals to sin theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, which means x square by A square plus y square by B square equals to 1. Taking LCM, we get x square B square plus y square A square over A square B square equals to 1, which means x square B square plus y square A square equals to A square B square. So what's the answer? A square B square is the correct option. Option C. I hope it's clear to you all. Now, there are a few more questions. These questions are from 2018-19 question paper, Delhi region, code 05A2 2018-19. So this is also a very good question. If A is to B equals to 2 is to 3 and X is to Y equals to 3 is to 4, then 2ax minus 25by over 3ay plus 4bx is. So let's quickly solve. We have s equals to 2ax minus 25by over 3ay plus 4bx. Dividing numerator and denominator with by, we get s equals to 2ax minus 25by over by upon 3ay plus 4bx upon by. Let's solve. Your s will be equal to 2 into a by b into x over y minus 25b by b into y over y upon 3 into a by b into y over y plus 4 into b by b into x over y. Further, 2 into, what is the value of a by b? It's 2 by 3. It is given to you in the question. X over y is given to you as 3 by 4 minus, this gets cancelled. You're left with 25 upon 3 into 2 by 3. Y this gets cancelled plus this gets cancelled. 4 into 3 by 4. Now as you can see, this gets cancelled, this whole gets cancelled. We are left with 1 minus 25 upon 2 plus 3, which is equal to minus 24 upon 5. So this is the required solution. This is option 3. Part 3 is the right answer. Let's move to the last question of the problem. This is, if x square minus 3x, this is the last question of the video, I would say. If x square minus 3x plus 2 is a factor of x to the power 4 minus px square plus q, then the values of p and q respectively are. Now we are provided with x square minus 3x plus 2. We are given that x square minus 3x plus 2 is the factor of x to the power 4 minus px square plus q. तो पहले क्या करते हैं, ये जो इक्वेशन हमें दी गई है, जो x square minus 3x plus 2 है, इसके फैक्टर्स निकाल, इसकी वैल्यू निकाल लेते हैं, इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिट करके. So we'll be getting x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. So we get x minus 2 minus 1 x minus 2, which will give us x minus 1 x minus 2. तो ये हमारे पास वैल्यूज आ गई. नाउ मान लेते हैं, लेट अस सपोज f of x आपका है x to the power 4 minus px square plus q. नाउ पुट x की जगह 1 पुट करो, ठीक है, वो आपका रिजल्ट 0 देगा. f की जगह आप 2 पुट करेंगे, वो भी आपको रिजल्ट 0 देगा. इसका मतलब अब हम f of 1 निकालते हैं, वो हमारा हो जाएगा 1 to the power 4 minus 1 का स्क्वायर into p plus q equals to 0, which is 1 minus p plus q equals to 0. Give it equation number 1. Let's find f of 2. f of 2 हमारा हो गया 2 square minus, ये है 2 to the power 4, so sorry, 2 to the power 4 minus 2 square into p plus q equals to 0, which gives you 16 minus 4p plus q equals to 0. ये हमारी हो गई इक्वेशन नंबर 2. अब आप फर्स्ट इक्वेशन माइनस सेकेंड इक्वेशन कीजिए. what you will get, minus 15 plus 3p equals to 0. इसका मतलब the value of p will be 5. Now put p equals to 5 in any of the above equations. I'm putting in equation 1. We get 1 minus p plus q equals to 0, which means 1 minus 5 plus q equals to 0, which gives you q equals to 4. So coordinates will be p equals to 5 and q equals to 4 will be the answer. 5 and 4. Option C is the correct answer. I hope all the problems discussed in the video are clear. अब मैं जल्दी से आपको एक दो होमवर्क क्वेश्चंस देने वाली हूं जो आपको होमवर्क करना है. Question number 1 for your homework is, if x square plus y square plus 1 over x square plus 1 over y square equals to 4, then the value of x square plus y square is option A 2, option B 4, option C 8, and option D is 16. One more question I'm giving you as homework. If x, y, z are positive real numbers and A, B, and C are rational numbers, then value of 1 over 1 plus x to the power b minus a plus x to the power c minus a plus 1 over 1 plus x to the power a minus b plus x to the power c minus b plus 1 over 1 plus x to the power b minus c plus x to the power a minus c is, options are -1, 1, 0 and 2. आपको ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं. इनके आंसर्स आप कमेंट सेक्शंस में डालिए और मुझे आंसर्स बताइए. For more problems and solutions from previous year question papers, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to help your friends by solving the channel and its videos. Thank you.